Can someone send you a fake payment on Venmo? Intro. Hey there, you're eagerly awaiting a payment on Venmo. It's been days, and you're starting to wonder if something went wrong. Then, out of the blue, you get a notification, payment received. Your heart skips a beat. But wait, something's off. The amount is incorrect, and the sender's name is unfamiliar. Hook. Has this ever happened to you? Have you ever received a fake payment on Venmo? If not, you might be surprised to learn that it's a more common occurrence than you might think. Building context. Venmo, a popular peer-to-peer payment app, has become an integral part of our digital lives. It's a convenient way to split bills, send money to friends and family, and even pay for goods and services. But with its growing popularity, it has also become a target for scammers. Main content. So, how can someone send you a fake payment on Venmo? Let's break down the different ways this can happen. 1. The pending trick. One of the most common scams involves the pending status. When you send a payment on Venmo, it initially shows as pending until the recipient confirms it. Scammers exploit this by sending you a fake payment that appears to be pending. They might even send you a screenshot of the fake payment as proof. But don't be fooled. Once you confirm the payment, the scammer can cancel it, leaving you out of pocket. 2. The reversed scam. Another tactic used by scammers is to send you a fake payment and then immediately reverse it. This means that the payment will appear in your Venmo account, but it will be reversed shortly after. The scammer might claim that there was an error or that they sent the money to the wrong person. But in reality, they're simply trying to trick you into thinking you've received the money. 3. The phishing scam. Phishing scams are a common way for scammers to steal your personal information. They might send you an email or text message that appears to be from Venmo, asking you to click on a link or download an attachment. If you do, you could be taken to a fake website designed to steal your login credentials. Once the scammer has access to your account, they can send fake payments or even transfer money out of your account. 4. The social engineering scam. Social engineering scams involve manipulating people into revealing sensitive information. Scammers might pose as a friend or family member and ask you for money. They might even create a fake Venmo account that looks identical to the real one. If you're not careful, you could fall victim to this type of scam. Protecting yourself. Now that you know how scammers can send you fake payments on Venmo, it's important to take steps to protect yourself. Here are some tips. Verify payments. Always verify the sender's identity before confirming a payment. Check their profile and make sure it's someone you know and trust. Be wary of pending payments. If you receive a payment that appears to be pending, don't confirm it until you've verified the sender's identity. Don't click on suspicious links. Never click on links or download attachments from emails or text messages that you're not sure about. Enable two-factor authentication. This will add an extra layer of security to your Venmo account. Report scams. If you believe you've been the victim of a scam, report it to Venmo and the appropriate authorities. Conclusion. While it's impossible to completely eliminate the risk of receiving fake payments on Venmo, by following these tips, you can significantly reduce your chances of falling victim to a scam. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. End. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.